Got him. Decent one. Yep, I'd say they like hard baits. They like that, huh? Pretty cool. Dang. And this one's a pig. Holy cow. I must have threw it right on this dude. Oh my lord. Oh, look at that. Where are you going to put that in your tummy? Huh? It's not going to fit. Got him. Decent one. A decent one. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in to my video. Today we're going to be throwing the Bluegill hard plastic, realistic looking swim bait. And this thing looks amazing. What prompted me to put this on was, I'll show you this in a minute, is the bass are sitting here and they're schooling up the brim. They got the brim pushed way up on the banks and they keep cruising up and down the banks. So, you know, it prompted me, hey, I have a brim lure in my bag. Let's put it on and see if we can catch some fish. So let's see what we can do. So right here we have a prime example. You can't see it too good. Maybe this will help. You have bass swimming right there up against the bank, and you got brim hiding out, bluegill. You got them all schooled up right here. The bass just, they have them too scared to move and to wander around. So what they're doing is they're coming up from the deep. Let me see. They're coming up from the deep and they're blowing up on them up against the bank where they have nowhere to run. And that's how we're going to catch our fish today. Let's try it out. Holy cow, I almost lost it on a rock just then. I don't know how to fish this thing. I think I just reel it in slowly. Oh wow, he ate it. He came up and ate it. That's cool. Feeding on bluegill, huh? Feeding on bluegill. How you like that, huh? Very cool. They're feeding, but they're not really on this bigger bait that I'm throwing. I need to throw something smaller for them. Bass chase it. Good one. Got him. Decent one. A decent one. Oh, he's fighting good too. He's just hooked weird. Oh wow, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. That's like a 3-pounder at least. How you like that, huh? Toady? Got a little toady? Very nice. Let me get a picture with you, buddy. My God. Okay, that works. 3 or 4 pounder at least. Please, God. Got him. Decent one. He's angry. He's an angry boy. Yep, I'd say they like hard baits. They like that, huh? Pretty cool. The bass are coming out to play right now. I'm about to get rained out of here. I can feel it. I saw them bass chasing it. It's a good sign. Oh, I must have threw it right on him. Dang. And this one's a pig. Holy cow. I must have threw it right on this dude. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Quit shaking, dude. Oh my lord, that's a piggy. 2 pounds at least. Oh wow, look at that. This is great. How you like that, huh? That's pretty cool. I start feeling raindrops. I'm getting out of here. Got him. Little guy. Little guy just nosing up at it. Look at that. Where are you gonna put that in your tummy? Huh? It's not gonna fit. Silly butt. Quit moving. Throw you back in. I wonder if I should try and brave the rain or not. These big mean bass are feeding. All right, everyone. Well, my fishing trip was cut short because of that behind me. I'm about 3 or 4 miles away from my truck, and I really don't feel like getting rained on, soaking wet. I'd love to stay here and keep fishing, but yeah, I got that to deal with. Now I'll show you how far out I gotta drive. All the way down there. I gotta go all the way down there. So thanks everyone for watching. I appreciate it. Every time someone subscribes or comments or likes, it makes me want to come out here and keep doing this. So I just want to thank you for your continued support throughout the years and for fueling my passion for coming out here doing this and making videos for you guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.